Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online class with Best English School. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing your homework daily. So today we are going with new topic in English subject. Our topic is opposites word. Opposite words. Today we will learn opposite word. Okay, so let's start. There are some word. You have to write its opposite word. First number is good. 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 So its opposite is bad. 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 Fast. 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 Slow. 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 Light. 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 Light means जो एकदम हल्का होता है ना, सामान हम जो उठाते हैं, लाइट वेट. सो इट्स अपोजिट इज हैवी. HEAVY. हैवी. बिग, you know it. Small. After it, hot. Hot coffee, cold coffee. Hot, its opposite is cold. COLD, cold. Salt. SHORT, salt. Tall. TALL, tall. Fat. FAT, fat man. Thin. THIN, thin. Fat. Motu is fat and patlu is thin. Okay. After it, new. NEW, new. Old. OLD, old. New pencil, old pencil. After it, weak. WEAK, weak. Strong. STRONG, strong. वीक मीन्स जो जल्दी जल्दी बीमार हो जाते हैं, हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ता है. एंड स्ट्रांग मीन्स जो सारा काम कर सकते हैं बिना थके हुए. ओके. आफ्टर इट, लॉन्ग. LONG, लॉन्ग. लॉन्ग मीन्स लंबा. सो शॉर्ट. SHORT. लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट. जैसे कि पेन है वो कैसी है, लॉन्ग है, और ये जो मेरा फिंगर है वो कैसी है, शॉर्ट. ओके. देन कॉस्टली. COSTLY, कॉस्टली. चीप. CHEAP, चीप. कॉस्टली, चीप. आफ्टर इट, ओल्ड. यंग. YOUNG, young. Then dirty. DIRTY, dirty. Clean. CLEAN, clean. After it, sad. SAD, sad. Happy. HAPPY, happy. Day. DAY, day. Night. NIGHT, night. In. in. Out. OUT, laugh. LAUGH, laugh. Cry. CRY, cry. After it, dark. DARK, dark. So what will you write? Light. LIGHT, light. Close. CLOSE, close. Open. OPEN, open. After it, near. NEAR, near. Far. FAR, down. DOWN, down. Up, UP, up. After it, night, NIGHT. So, day, DAY, day. Then buy, BUY, buy. Its opposite is sell, SELL, sell. After it, more, MORE, more. Less, LESS. Then enemy, NENEMY, मीन्स दुश्मन. तो इसका अपोजिट वर्ड क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द अपोजिट ऑफ एनिमी? फ्रेंड, FRIEND, friend. Enemy, friend. Then start, START, start. End, END, end. Love, LOVE, love. Hat, HET, hat. Okay. Then beautiful, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. Ugly, UGLY, ugly. Okay, beautiful, ugly. Next word is success, 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 success. Failure, FAILURE, failure. Okay. Then absence, ABCENCE, absence. Present, PRESENT, present. Absence, present. Poor, POOR, poor. Rich, RICH, rich. Rude, RUDE, kind. KIND, kind. Lucky, LUCKY, lucky. Unlucky, UNLUCKY, unlucky. Give, GIVE, give. Take, TAKE, take. Go, GO, go. Come, COME, come. Forget, FORGET, forget. Remember, REMEMBER, remember. Okay. Then you can write sit, SIT, sit. Stand, STAND, stand. Okay. Then so it's your simple opposite words. You have to learn it and you have to write in your notebook. Let's read again. Good, bad. Fast, slow. Light, heavy. Big, small. Hot, cold. Short, tall. Fat, thin, new, old, weak, strong, long, short, costly, cheap, old, young, dirty, clean, sad, happy, day, night, in, out, laugh, cry, dark, light, close, open, near, far, down, up, night, day, buy, sell, more, less, enemy, friend, start, and, love, hat, after it, beautiful, ugly, UGLY, success, failure, absence, present, poor, rich, rude, kind, lucky, unlucky, give, take, go, come, forget, remember, sit, stand. Okay, so let's read again quickly. Good, bad, fast, slow, light, heavy, big, small, hot, cold, short, tall, fat, thin, new, old, weak, strong, long, short, costly, cheap, old, young, dirty, clean, sad, happy, day, night, in, out, laugh, cry, dark, light, close, open, near, far, down, up, night, day, buy, sell, more, less, enemy, friend, start, end, love, hate, beautiful, ugly, success, failure, absence, present, poor, rich, rude, kind, lucky, unlucky, give, take, go, come, forget, remember, sit, stand. Okay, now you have to write these all opposite words in your notebook. Open your notebook. On new page, write down today's date and day, opposites words. After it, write down this all and learn it. Okay, in next lecture we will go with the new topic. So please write in good handwriting. Stay home, stay safe, be happy and have a nice day. Bye.